In the 1970s, a Spanish man named Gonzalo Garcia-Pelayo asked a question no one else dared to ask. What if roulette wasn't perfectly random? Instead of gambling based on luck, Gonzalo decided to gamble based on physics. He believed that tiny manufacturing flaws, slight tilts, uneven wheels, could cause certain numbers to hit more often over time. He spent months observing wheels at the Casino Gran Madrid, recording every spin by hand. Thousands of spins, patterns started to emerge. Using early computers, decades before AI or machine learning, Gonzalo modeled the wheels mathematically. He discovered that some numbers had a statistically significant edge. When he was ready, he moved from observation to action. Would you trust math enough to risk it all at the tables? Comment "Beat the house" if you would, and hit subscribe for more true gambling legends. Gonzalo trained his entire family. Each member had a role. The casinos were furious. But here's the twist. Gonzalo never touched the wheel, never tampered, never cheated. He just observed and exploited natural flaws. The casinos finally banned him, but in court, Gonzalo won. Because physics isn't illegal. And sometimes, knowledge is power. Today, roulette wheels are tested with laser precision because of Gonzalo's team. They proved that even the oldest games have cracks, if you know where to look. Want more hidden stories from the gambling world? Subscribe to Baccarat Report, where the house's secrets are always revealed.